My name's Rachel Coyle. I'm Peatland Project Officer for Tweed Forum, and we are on Weems and March Estate in the Scottish Borders. So my role with Tweed Forum is to organise peatland restoration projects. So I go out and survey peatland sites, put together restoration plans and then deliver projects. We're working on a peatland restoration project here on Weems and March Estate. What you're seeing here is sphagnum moss, which is an important component of a healthy peatland site and helps to form the peat that we're trying to protect here. So this is what we are trying to fix with the projects that we're working on at site at the moment. The idea is to try and reduce the angle of the slope, make it a shallower slope and then revegetate with borrow turfs harvested from around the site. And that'll just protect the peat layer from any further erosion from either wind or rain. As well as being a carbon-rich environment, peatlands are important for water retention as well. The sphagnum mosses hold a lot of water back and the healthy peatlands act as a sponge, holding water up in the upper catchment. So it's all important for natural flood management as well. Holding water in the hills means it travels more slowly down the whole catchment. So the idea is to reprofile the slope and make it a much shallower slope and then revegetate using borrow turfs from the site. And that just helps to protect the peat layer from erosion. So this project is funded through a PeatlandACTION grant. The PeatlandACTION fund is open to landowners throughout Scotland that want to apply for restoration funding. PeatlandACTION will fund 100% of the capital costs of a restoration project.